Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the iRestore Essential Laser Red Light Therapy Helmet for hair growth. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and are considering this red light therapy helmet, which I have upside down simply because I don't want to lay it on the table. It is a pretty pricey helmet, but in order to go ahead and use this, it's actually really simple. Now, it includes a wire. All right, so you can see right there, it's currently plugged in, and then you plug it into the remote control here at the top. Now, once it's plugged in, its intended use is to be every other day, and results, I'd say that you're gonna have to use for like 4 to 6 months pretty consistently in order to get the effects that you want. Now, with this red light therapy helmet, the way I like to think about it is the wire is at the back of your head, and then the front portion is where you see the label and the name. So this is the front, this is the back. It comes with cushion pads here that you can use to kind of just have a nice snug fit at the top of your head. But the red light therapy helmet won't turn on unless you actually go ahead and place it on your head. It has sensors so that it prevents it from turning on unless it's on your head. But once it's placed on your head, you simply just press the power button on and you're going to hear a short beep. So that short beep indicates that a 25-minute timer has started. So as far as sessions go for this red light therapy helmet, it's every other day as recommended, and then it's 25-minute sessions at a time. So you can pause and start between sessions with the remote control here, but do make sure that you get the full 25 minutes in. After the 25 minutes is done, you're going to hear a longer beep to indicate that the 25 minutes is over. So it's pretty simple to use. It feels great. It's not the most portable, but the wire itself is actually pretty long. So with this wire, I'm actually able to plug it into that wall and it could actually reach my couch over there so that I can sit and watch TV or my TV shows at the same time of actually using this. So in order to go ahead and use this, I'd say tie it to a regular, consistent, every other day habit that you have, just because if you don't use it, it's not going to work and you won't know if it works unless you actually use it. So for me, for example, every other day, anytime I'm going to watch like some TV show or movie, I try to make sure to place this on. And then I also have it sitting next to my couch. And it's also pretty easy for me as well, just because I work from home over there and I do intend to use this a lot of the times when I remember to, as I'm working from home as well. But that's pretty much it though, in case you're wondering how to use the iRestore Laser Hair Growth Red Light Therapy Helmet. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.